This is the damn car. What have I done? What have I done? Let's just crack on with it. This is so long. It looked cool. With 258 Starlights to pin. No, fuck this. That's what's left. I've got to somehow put it in the car. I haven't figured that part out yet. Now I've got the missus involved. We're getting there. Starting to get a bit nervous, so I ain't got enough. So, ooh, it's gonna be interesting. No, it is not done. It's still quite a bit to go, but it is looking mental. And we have to still got to get some hot glue to be able to glue the ends as well. So it's not going to be done today, but yeah. This is taking forever. This is taking forever. This is taking forever. Say forever. How did I start this? There's like probably 50 odd to go, maybe. The last damn light. That was a mission. That is 500. My hands hurt. Wow, this is interesting. This is not easy to get back in. Man, and it doesn't help that it's like so hot. Twinkly. That was a fucking mission. But it's rooted nicely. Woo! Got to like neaten this up. But hey. It's hot. AC's on. But man, why did I start this?
I'm also going on there.
Because they're not in the seats. They're only on the ceiling. Here's after. It's all nice. I need to glue the mic back on. Put that up there. And it's rooted down the back of that. Perfect. I'm happy.